Hello everyone. In this video, you'll be able to learn in detail about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the difference between money, currency and fiat currency. But before you start learning from this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Firstly, all you need to know is that, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank or financial institution. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, they rely on a network of computers to validate and record transactions. This network is called a blockchain, which is a decentralized ledger that records all cryptocurrency transactions. The use and adoption of cryptocurrencies have grown significantly in recent years, with many people using them as an investment or as a means of payment. Cryptocurrencies can be used to purchase goods and services, or they can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. In addition to Bitcoin, there are many other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features and functions, and some are designed for specific purposes such as privacy or fast transaction times. Cryptocurrencies are typically stored in digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware-based. To access and spend cryptocurrency, the owner of the wallet needs to have a private key, which is a long string of letters and numbers that acts as a password. While cryptocurrencies offer many benefits, such as fast and cheap transactions and decentralized control, they can also be highly volatile and risky. It's important to do your research and exercise caution before investing in or using cryptocurrencies. Okay, so Bitcoin was the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, and it has since inspired the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. So firstly, let's discuss about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions and control the creation of new units. It is not controlled by any central authority like a bank or government, but rather by its users who participate in the network. Bitcoin operates on a public ledger called the blockchain, which records every transaction made using the currency. The blockchain is maintained by a network of users who validate and verify each transaction, ensuring its authenticity and preventing double spending. To use Bitcoin, users need a digital wallet, which is a software program that allows them to send and receive Bitcoins. Each wallet has a unique address, which is used to identify the user and their transactions on the blockchain. When someone sends Bitcoins to another person, the transaction is broadcast to the network and verified by the nodes or users who participate in the network. Once the transaction is confirmed, it is recorded on the blockchain and cannot be altered or reversed. For example, let's say that Alice wants to send 1 Bitcoin to Bob. She would initiate a transaction from her digital wallet, specifying Bob's Bitcoin address as the recipient and the amount she wants to send. This transaction would be broadcast to the network and validated by nodes or users who confirm that Alice has sufficient funds in her wallet to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoins are transferred from Alice's wallet to Bob's wallet, and the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. Both Alice and Bob can see the transaction on the blockchain, which serves as a permanent and transparent record of the transfer. Bitcoin has gained popularity in recent years as an alternative to traditional currencies and as a speculative investment. However, its use and acceptance vary widely across different countries and industries. Till this point, you all must have understood that what is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. But there are 3 terms. That sounds easy, but many of us are unaware of the difference between them, and those are money, currency, and fiat currency. These are related concepts, but they have distinct meanings. Money Money is a medium of exchange that is generally accepted in transactions for goods and services. It can take various forms including coins, paper notes, and digital currency. Money is a store of value and a unit of account, which means that it is a way of measuring the value of goods and services. Currency. Currency refers to the physical form of money such as coins and paper notes that is issued by a government or central bank. Currency is typically used in daily transactions, such as buying groceries or paying bills. Fiat currency. Fiat currency is a type of currency that is not backed by a commodity such as gold or silver, but instead derives its value from government regulation or law. Fiat currency is issued by a government or central bank, and is not exchangeable for a fixed amount of a commodity. To illustrate the difference between these concepts, consider the following examples. A person goes to a store to buy groceries and pays with physical currency, such as US dollar bills. In this case, the physical currency is a form of money that is being used as a medium of exchange. The US government issues new bills and coins to replace old ones that are no longer in good condition. In this case, the physical currency is a form of currency that is issued by the government. The US dollar is a fiat currency that derives its value from the trust placed in the US government and the Federal Reserve. It is not backed by a commodity, such as gold or silver. Overall, while money, currency, and fiat currency are related concepts, they have different characteristics and uses that are important to understand. Thanks for watching.